Hi everybody, it's Rick. Welcome to another tip for Maschine Plus. Today I will not go for something technical, just a little feedback from my experience. I ordered the Maschine Plus. I pre-ordered the Maschine Plus, so I get directly from Native Instruments. As you can know, when you order the Maschine Plus, you've got a e-Voucher from NI, and then you can buy some expansions directly for the machine or whatever. What it happens to me, it was that I go to my comment on dit en anglais, my account, and I didn't see anything from Native Instruments that it was no e-Voucher available. So I decided to contact the assistance services, and then I spoke with a person from Native Instruments, and there is technical problems. I don't know if someone else got the same problem. You can leave the comment in the description. So I asked what it happens, and they told me that it was a technical problem. Okay. And then they gave me not one voucher but two, 15 euros. It's not bad. So here it is. You can contact the assistants here. It's from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. From Monday to Saturday, so you may know this if you want to contact the assistants, because I was searching for the assistants. So it's from Monday to Saturday, directly from the chat, and that's it. Okay. I hope that you liked my everyday's videos about the Maschine Plus. Please subscribe if you like it, and leave me a thumbs up. Ciao, see you.